Welcome to Fishing with John, your favorite YouTube fishing host. This week, John is in Northern Ontario visiting Stomer Wilderness Lodge. And now, John, take it away.
The weather's not so good today. Got wind out of the north, about 20-25 miles an hour, constant rain. The one thing we got, besides fellowship, of course, we got fish. Bringing a log as we speak. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. As he makes a run for it, get ready. Oh, that's what we came to Stomer Wilderness Lodge for. It's known for its fishing, its hospitality, and good German food. Some people compare it to a camp. There's a certain death march involved, rule, served nightly, and that's about it from here. Good luck to you. Good morning. We're here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge, fishing on Kirkness Lake, Northern Ontario. Today we're featuring walleye. Our guide is Ben. He's put us on the fish right away. Here's one coming in. That's Ben himself. Here's one coming in now. Old goggle eyes, old slab side we call him. It's a nice walleye. Now, let me show you the proper landing technique. Well, he's got a little fire in him. Step one, get a large club. No, I'm only kidding. That's not how we do it here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge. You grasp them firmly. So, we got a tradition here. No, that's not the tradition. We usually have the cameraman kiss each large northern or walleye over 18 inches. Oh, that was nice. So let's get a close-up if we can. Last time I saw a mouth like this is on my buddy Dick Shields. We were at an all-you-can-eat buffet at Old Country Buffet, and he saw some shrimp. He opened his mouth and consumed. Now, if you notice something else with walleye, if you hold them on your belly, they become motionless. Interesting, eh? We'll be back later today. Thank you. Hello. We're here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge today, just after lunch. The sun's starting to come out, so the name Stomer, we don't know where it comes from. This afternoon we're fishing exclusively northern pike. We're going copper, and it's producing so far. We got one on that we're going to show you in a minute. He's in the water. You know, he's not a snake. This is a fish with high hopes. He hopes to one day be a big fish. So let's see if we can get him in here. And he's got one little run in him. There he goes. That's a good sound. But I think that'll be about it for this boy. He's tired. He's gonna go underneath the boat here in a minute. So hopefully he'll cooperate, and I'll be able to hand him like this. Pretty good sized fish. And that's the way we do it. And we're going to release him. Usually we have our photographer kiss him, but we're going to let this guy just kind of go in a minute here, all right? Hopefully, give him a little, oh, there he goes.
See way.
We didn't measure him. We'll call him 39. Signing off till later.
There.
Hello. We're here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge today, fishing. It's partly sunny. With my partner Dick Shields and our guide Ben.
Hi.
So far, Ben has messed up his line. He's put a new line on. He's done. But anyway, let me talk about the fishing. Multi-species here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge. We got your northern pike, you got your walleye. Today, we're fishing for smallmouth bass. Currently, I got one on. Now, these smallmouth are called smallmouth because of the size of their mouth. Unlike a friend of mine, Dick Shields, who some people have called a largemouth, but I don't want to get into that. That's a whole other story. Let me show you how to land these fish. All right. What you do is called the lower lip grip. All right. You grasp them on the lower lip, thusly, and it comes out. Now, this is a tricky hook set that I'm going to need some pliers, such as this. And I want to do as little damage as possible, which I did. Old Goggle Eyes, we call him. King of the stony riverbed, smallmouth bass. An old tradition here. We always kiss the first bass that he sees that he likes. Okay? So we're going to put him back and get bigger ones. Have a good day. Look at Hines. He's right more than he's wrong. Isn't he?
Okay. On 3. You're on the air.
We're here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge. And today, you got him, Ben. We're fishing for northern pike. This is the results right here. Ben, our guide, say hello, Ben. Hello, Ben. Ben put us on the fish. Now, what was funny, we're just talking about why we weren't getting anything. The great man, Heinz, one time said that if it's perfect and there's nothing there, it's because there's one big one. And you know what? That German guy was right again. We're going to measure him now. Dick Shields caught this. I'd like to claim credit for it, but I'm not that kind. That's Dick right there. I'm not that kind of guy, so we're going to measure him now. We're here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge on Kirkness Lake. Sometimes we catch some fish when we're in a bad mood. And when we're in a bad mood, we could take it out on our boatmates. We take it out on our guide Ben. That's Ben. But usually what we like to do here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge, we take it out on the fish. Ha! He was really diseased. Come on now. That's all for now. Thanks.
1, we're live.
Morning. We're here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge, beautiful Lake Kirkness, fishing for walleye. It's been a little slow. We just had a little excitement in the boat. Currently, the guide Ben is landing what we like to call a hog.
Pop the jig out first.
Okay.
Can you grab my pole? I'd love to grab your pole, Jim.
That's not my pole, Ben. Oh, that was a little boat humor. Sorry. But we're looking at that's a big boy. Alright, that's why we came here. It's the whole thing. Old walleye. We're gonna measure him now, and we'll see.
You're on air.
Well, hello. We're here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge. We're fishing on Kirkness Lake today. This lake is known for a multi-species lake. We got everything you can think of. Well, now we're mainly fishing for walleye, northern pike, but we'll take anything edible. Today, in particular, we're fishing for perch, Percha fulvescens. It's a great game fish in the Great Lake area, and they've inhabited northern Canada here. Stomer Wilderness Lodge is really a perch capital. And a lot of guys come up from all over the states to fish strictly perch, and that's what we're doing today. Right now I got one on the line. He's put up a pretty good battle. Let's see how he is. Uh-oh. Well, there's bigger ones than this. So you stay tuned. We'll be back. Good fishing. Morning. We're fishing Kirkness Lake today here at Stomer Wilderness Lodge. Today we're fishing for a new species. We've talked about the multi-species effect of this lake here. Today we're fishing exclusively whitefish. They get the name whitefish because of their color. They're white, and they're very sensitive fish, very tender, very good eaters. This is a big whitefish. All right, there he is. That's him. Ben is guiding us today. Say hello, Ben. We're going to attempt to land him here now. Whitefish are a little tricky sometimes. You can see there's not much to look at. They're kind of an ugly fish. They remind me of my friend. That's another story. You see, he's a little slippery. I almost lost my hat there. Damn. Oops, sorry for the language, folks. They're slimy. There's no real good way.
Grab him in the lip with the pliers.
What I'm going to do, when on 3, bring him in the boat. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, he's free. Yeah. Now we got him. Whitefish. Game fish. This one's a peach. We have a tradition here. Kissing the first whitefish is something we like to do. So